the ultimate kitchen vocabulary crash course.
50 words to master.
Kitchen. Kitchen is a place where we prepare food.
Dining room. In some American homes, they also have a dining room. It is a space specifically intended for dining and often contains a dining table, chairs, and sometimes additional furniture like cabinets or buffets to store dishes or serving items.
We will divide our kitchen equipment into two groups.
Kitchen electronic devices and kitchen hand tools.
1. Kitchen electronic devices. Dishwasher. A dishwasher is a household appliance used for automatically cleaning dishes, utensils, and cookware.
Egg cooker. An egg cooker is a kitchen appliance designed specifically for cooking eggs. It simplifies the process of preparing eggs and typically comes with features to cook eggs in various styles, such as boiling, poaching, or steaming.
Blender. A blender is a kitchen appliance used to mix, blend, and puree food ingredients into a smooth and consistent texture.
Water dispenser. A water dispenser is a device designed to dispense water for drinking purposes. It provides a convenient and accessible way to access clean and refreshing water without the need to use a tap or a water pitcher.
Fridge. The term fridge is a shortened form of refrigerator. It's a common household appliance used to keep food and beverages cool and fresh. There is a freezing part in a fridge, commonly known as the freezer, is specifically designed to preserve food at low temperatures below the freezing point of water.
Kettle. A kettle is a common kitchen appliance used for heating water to boiling point. It is typically made of metal or heat-resistant plastic and features a handle for easy pouring.
Waffle maker. A waffle maker is a kitchen appliance specifically designed to cook waffles. It consists of two hinged metal plates with a pattern of indentations or grids, creating the characteristic honeycomb pattern on the waffle's surface.
Stove. A stove, also known as a cooktop or range, is a kitchen appliance used for cooking food. It provides a heat source for preparing meals by using gas, electricity, or induction technology.
Oven. An oven is a kitchen tool designed for baking, roasting, and cooking food by surrounding it with dry, indirect heat. It uses a chamber or cavity with controlled temperature settings to cook a wide variety of dishes, including baked goods, casseroles, roasted meats, and much more.
Microwave. A microwave, also known as a microwave oven, is a kitchen appliance used for quickly heating and cooking food using electromagnetic waves called microwaves.
2. Kitchen hand tools.
Spoon. A spoon is a common eating and cooking utensil with a small, shallow, bowl-shaped container at the end of a handle. It is typically made of metal, plastic, wood, or other materials, and is an essential tool found in virtually every household and kitchen.
Fork. A fork is a common eating utensil with multiple tines or prongs at the end of a handle. It is designed to help with picking up and eating food, particularly solid or semi-solid items like meats, vegetables, and pasta.
Knife. A knife is a cutting tool with a sharp blade attached to a handle. It is one of the most ancient and essential tools used by humans for various purposes, including food preparation, crafting, hunting, and self-defense.
Plate. A plate is a flat, circular, or oval-shaped dish used to serve and eat food. It is a fundamental piece of tableware found in households, restaurants, and dining establishments worldwide.
Bowl. A bowl is a round open container with a curved or sloping sides and a flat bottom. It is designed to hold and serve various types of food and liquids.
Glass. A glass is a type of container made from glass material that is used for holding and serving beverages.
Coffee cup. A coffee cup, also known as a coffee mug, is a type of drinking vessel specifically designed to hold and serve coffee.
Measuring cup. A measuring cup is a kitchen utensil specifically designed for measuring precise amounts of liquid or dry ingredients used in cooking and baking.
Frying pan. A frying pan, also known as a skillet or fry pan, is a flat-bottomed, shallow cooking vessel with slightly sloping sides and a long handle. It is used for frying, searing, and browning a variety of foods, such as meats, vegetables, eggs, and pancakes.
Saucepan. A saucepan is a kitchen cooking utensil with a flat bottom, straight sides, and a long handle. It is designed for cooking liquids and sauces, as well as for reheating and simmering various ingredients.
Pot. A pot is a cooking container or vessel with high, straight sides and a flat bottom. It typically comes with a lid and handles on each side for easy lifting and handling.
Pressure cooker. A high-pressure cooker, also known as a pressure cooker, is a sealed cooking appliance that uses high pressure and steam to cook food quickly.
Instant pot. An instant pot is an electric pressure cooker, meaning it has its own built-in heating element and electronic controls. It plugs into an electrical outlet and operates independently, without the need for a separate heat source like a stovetop.
Ladle. A ladle is a long-handled kitchen utensil with a deep, round, and usually curved bowl at the end. It is designed for scooping and serving liquids, such as soups, stews, sauces, gravies, and other liquid-based dishes.
Spatula. A spatula is a flat, thin kitchen tool with a broad, rectangular or rounded blade at one end and a handle at the other. It is designed for various tasks, including flipping, lifting, and turning food items during cooking and baking.
Tongs. Tongs are kitchen utensils designed for gripping, lifting, and handling various types of food. They consist of two long arms connected by a pivot point, allowing them to open and close like a pair of scissors.
Whisk. A whisk is used for mixing, beating, and incorporating ingredients together. It typically consists of a handle with a series of thin, flexible wires or loops attached to the end.
Peeler. A peeler is a tool used to remove the outer skin or peel of fruits and vegetables. It is a handheld utensil with a sharp serrated blade that effectively cuts through the thin outer layer of the produce while preserving the edible portion underneath.
Chopping board. A cutting board is a flat, sturdy surface used in the kitchen for cutting, chopping, and preparing food.
Grater. A grater is a kitchen utensil used for shredding or grating solid food items into smaller, finer pieces.
Spice rack. A spice rack is a kitchen storage solution, specifically designed to hold and organize a collection of spices and herbs.
Colander. A colander is a kitchen utensil used for draining liquids from solid foods. It typically consists of a bowl-shaped container with small holes or perforations on the sides and bottom.
Corkscrew. A corkscrew is a simple but essential tool used to remove corks from wine bottles and other corked containers.
Rolling pin. A rolling pin is a cylindrical kitchen tool used for rolling out and flattening dough for various baked goods and pastries.
Kitchen shears. They are versatile and handy tools that can perform a variety of cutting tasks related to food preparation.
Cupboard. A cupboard, also known as a cabinet or closet, is a type of storage unit or piece of furniture used in homes and other spaces for organizing and storing various items.
Sink. A sink is a plumbing fixture commonly found in kitchens, bathrooms, and utility rooms. It is a basin-shaped container with a faucet and a drain used for washing hands, dishes, utensils, and other items.
Tap. A tap, also known as a faucet or spigot, is a plumbing fixture used to control the flow of water in a plumbing system.
Juicer. A juicer is a kitchen tool designed to extract juice from fruits and vegetables. It works by breaking down the pulp and fiber of the produce, separating the liquid juice from the solid parts.
Kitchen towel, also known as a dish towel or tea towel, is a versatile and absorbent piece of cloth used in the kitchen for various tasks. It is usually made from cotton or a cotton blend fabric, which makes it soft, absorbent, and quick drying.
Paper towel. A paper towel is a disposable absorbent sheet made from paper pulp. It is designed for various cleaning and drying tasks in homes, offices, and other settings.
Thanks for watching. With Mr. Tariq, English is for all students. Let me tell you that I'm thrilled to present this valuable lesson on kitchen equipment. I've put a lot of effort into creating this content to help you make the most of your kitchen tools and have an enjoyable cooking experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support and feedback mean a lot to me. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please leave a comment or let me know what you'd like to learn next. Thank you for being a part of this community. Let's keep growing together and exploring the wonderful world of English vocabulary mastery. See you soon.